Oh yeah, first shad of the season. Poor man's tarpon on the 6-7. The American shad. No, oh, shad. Love it, baby. River worm and an attractor. Look at this guy. Threw a little tungsten on because it was so windy. Running a nice little sink tip. This is a little tiny shad. What a blast on the 6-7. That guy silverside, watch this fish. They know how to use their body like a permit. Oh, morning. Irideus Flies on the shad, finally. There he is. Hard to get control of these guys. American shad on the river worm. Beautiful fish. They're just so beautiful. I got up super early for no apparent reason.